Future by Fiber. Foresee the future. Hello friends! Fiber optical lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong Honserv Limited. Welcome to my channel. We introduced the patch cord in the last lesson. According to NTT data statistics, 80% of global communication network failures are caused by optical fiber connector problems. Today, let's talk about how to effectively reduce the failure of optical fiber connector. Connector failure is mainly caused by dirt and scratches on the end face of the connectors. Why do dirty and scratched connectors would cause network failure? Let's review the structure of optical fiber. First, single-mode fiber. The core diameter is 9 micrometer and the cladding diameter is 125 micrometer. Then, multi-mode fiber. The core diameter is 50 micrometer or 62.5 micrometer and the cladding diameter is 125 micrometer. Whether single-mode fiber or multi-mode fiber, the diameter is very thin. However, all signal energy is concentrated in the core and the cladding with a diameter of 125 micrometer for transmission. When the end face of the optical fiber connector is stained with dust, oil, etc., or is scratched, even in a small area, the transmission of optical signal will be hindered, thereby causing the transmission energy loss and increasing reflection energy, and then cause weak light, and even burn out connectors and boards. So, how to reduce the fiber connector failures effectively? 1. Direct connection of different types of ceramic ferrules is strictly forbidden, such as APC-UPC. It will cause irreversible damage to the end face of optical fiber connector. 2. Remember the 3 steps: inspection, cleaning, and replacement. Whether in the network construction or maintenance stage, inspect the end face of the optical fiber connector before connection every time. Make sure the connector is cleaned without stains and scratches. If the connector is dirty, you should clean it before testing until the stain is cleaned before connecting. If there are scratches on the connector and the scratch area exceed the IEC standard, you should replace the connector and repeat the above steps. 3. In order to avoid the pollution caused by dust in the air, please cover the dust caps of patch cord, optic distribution frames, equipment boards, and other cords timely. We introduced the main causes and the prevention method of connector failures. Do you know how to clean the end face of optical fiber? Please follow our updates. We will introduce in the next lesson. See you!